Hi friends, in this video I am going to share how you can create a free blogging website without any payment. Now let's suppose if you don't know anything, just type in Google WordPress, just click enter. You can just see wordpress.com, get a free blog here. Just click over it and it will take you to this link. Now for this you should be logged in, or you need to create an account. Say for example I am logged in from my account, so it's showing something. If I open firefox.com and if I type here WordPress, so it will take here this. Now before let's get you need to click get started. So you need to sign up. Say for example you need to type anything. Now if I type Geeta Mummy @gmail.com, it's a email ID. Username is Geeta, and it should be simply Geeta, and the password would be your say planet. You can pick any password, whatever you want. Now see this one, you can hide your password, or you can make it as can be seen by everyone. And here get a .wordpress.com free. So your blog address, suppose if you want my own SEO company, you want a blog like this, the WordPress will check, and if it is available it will give you like my own SEO company .wordpress.com free. Now here you can see some paid blogs or paid domain. You need to click here create blog, which is free. Here you can easily click on it. Oh, I see. I think this username here, you can see this red cross, because this username is not available. So you can type 123, it will check, it is also not available. So you can type 456, it will check whether it is, oh, is great, it is available. So you can proceed, and you can click on create blog. Once you will create, it will take some time to proceed. After that it will take you to this one. Posting goal, you can choose, you want to post in once a week, you want to post once in a week, or no goal. I think no goal would be better, because you are not like you don't need to post, or you don't have any pressure like you need to post now, or so you can simply click next step. After that you can choose any theme. Suppose for example these are paid themes, as you can see here $7.99. You can find some free themes also. So let's say for example if I choose this theme, it will give you a chance to customize their theme according to your choice. It is giving you an option how your website will look once you get started. So it's processing. Well, you can choose next step, and you can either connect with Facebook or Twitter, whatever it may be, and you can log in, or you can skip this, and simply you can click next step. You can create a first post by text. So how you can do it, suppose I will take one dummy data, I'll write the title here, I'll pick one image, I'll do it, and here I'll show you how you can do it. Say for example if say if I need some article, I need to post it. So say if I have this article, what is bail bond, so the title will be what is bail bond, and I need to I need the dummy content, that's why I'm say just copy, simplest way, because you're creating in WordPress this Microsoft Word, and you can paste it in, and you can type here what is bail bond, right? And say for example if you want some images, you can type, it will be inserted in your post like this, and you can change the position wherever you want it to appear. I think it would be a great position here. and you can save it to preview. You can just see, or just after, if your post will be, it will look like this in your theme. So within no time you got this beautiful theme and your post will look like that. Say for example, if someone will reply like that, hi, nice post. So your you can click post comment, and for if somebody wants, means the login will be required. So see how beautiful you get a blog, such a nice blog. You get it without any effort. You can click next step. You can click publishing post, and here you can see your own blog, my own SEO company. And in this you can see, if you want to add new post, you can click new post, and you can add like text, photo, and you can add things like that. So see, this is your own blog. You can update your email address like this. You can change your theme. So first of all, you need, I think it requires some confirmation email, that's why it's saying post or likes. Hi friends, so you can see this is your dashboard, right? So if you want to see your pages, you can see all pages by clicking on this. And about, if you click like this, and here you can see some appearance. If you want, how you can do it, I'll let you know. This is appearance. I have clicked themes. If you click on, if you want this theme, yeah, you can check the theme detail, or you can customize it very easily. You need to click on customize. It will take you to some page like your my own SEO company. Your website will look like this. After that, you can add your plugins. You can make some changes like home, about, you want some categories, you can search. So it's a very easy way. You can create your own theme, and you can use widgets. You can use menus. In menus you can add some categories, some icons that you want to be appear in your site. And in this custom design, you can design. And one most important thing is plugins. I think you might be aware, if you need Facebook plugin button, if you need a YouTube plugin, so all those things. So how you can do it, I think you're getting this option like widgets. In widgets you can see tools, users. So you can very easily check all these things. So in this way you'll get a site like this. Here your post will appear. I think you find this way a most easier and a simple way. Please keep watching my later videos. Have a great day ahead.